Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new video with the very talented Debbie, and for today's makeup she is creating this female rabbit makeup. So if you want to know how she created this, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in the coming video. The first step in creating this rabbit is to create the base, which Debbie sketched out with a pencil liner. Now she's continuing to white, and this is white by Meron, the Fantasy FX, one of Debbie's favorite whites to use in a base. And once all the white is on there, it is time to put some shadows in. So the shadows are just Star Blends by Meron. This is a black one, and basically you shadow to change the shape of the face. And as you can see, the cheekbones get a new shape, but also the nose and the mouth, because a rabbit's nose is sticking out more than a human nose. Debbie needs to change the shape a bit to get that effect on her own face. To create today's eye makeup, Debbie has chosen a purple color by Superstar. This color is called La La Land. It is a lovely light purple color that is a wonderful base for this eye makeup. So as you can see on her right eye, there is loads of eyeshadow powder over it to create a very glamorous rabbit eye for today. And well, apply this eyeshadow very gently and really blend it to the water-based face paint. That gives a lovely smooth transition from the eyeshadow to the face paint, and you get those glamorous eyes. Onto the nose, which is reddish pink. It is also a color by Superstar. It is number 040. It is carmine pink, if that is the correct pronunciation, and it is a nice color for a rabbit nose. To create a little bit more depth in the area around the mouth, Debbie puts a straight, very sharp line in there with Essential Black by Diamond FX. And as you can see, that sharp line really creates that depth that we need to create the new shape for the face. White face paint by Superstar to create some whiskers, but there will also be light gray whiskers in a bit. And of course we don't only need fur around the mouth area, but also on the rest of the face. So this is done with the gray color by Superstar as well. And as you can see, by putting in all those little stripes, you create kind of an extra shadow, and that pulls that part of the face back a bit, and that changes the face a bit more still. So there are also a few black stripes there to create the fur effect, and a bit of fur around the chin as well. Onto the chest piece of this makeup, and the first thing that Debbie is coloring is the little bow tie that our rabbit is wearing today. So this one is blue. It is the light blue by Superstar. It is color number 116. And as you can see, this is quite a precise work because Debbie has decided that there will be a little polka dot pattern on that bow tie. And the polka dots are in yellow, and they have a nice shadow put on there with a light brown star blend. As the skin on the face is white, Debbie also, of course, has the white for the skin on her chest. A bit of shadow around the collar. That adds a bit of realism to this look. And finally, red for the rest of the outfit. So this really is red. That is number 035 by Superstar as well. And as you can see, Debbie outlined this and put some shadows in there. And finally, here is the lipstick, which obviously will be red as well. So she created a bit bigger lips than are her own. But with that, our bunny makeup tutorial for today is done. Well, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.